Assalamualaikum and hi. Today we want to present to you about our project 1 subject SAD. Our project is Automatic Student Attendance System, FSD Methodic for School. So this is our member Suhadini Manugar, Tarani Sega, and me FARAH Maisura binti Makno. Okay, first of all, introduction. The goal of this paper is to give you an overview of the automatic student attendance system overall architecture. A variety of diagrams, ranging from a functional decomposition diagram to a data flow diagram, have been presented. All of the designated hardware has been built to work with the interface. Okay, next, context diagram. The data flow diagram at the context level depicts the entire system. It displays all of the system user module. The data flow diagram for the automatic student attendance system indicates that the system is run by 3 users: admin, lecturer, and student. Facial recognition information and track face through are 2 outbound data flow for student entity. Aside from that, the student entity has 1 inbound data flow or face confirmation, which ensure that the student's face through match that of the system database. Finally, the admin and lecturer entities have 1 income data flow report of student attendance and 1 outgoing data flow access. So this is the diagram that I said before. Next, DFD level O. The DFD level DFD level 0. The DFD level 0 student attendance management system has a roadmap for developing a fully working system. Taught the user of diagram and symbol, it will also assist programmer in determine how data could flow inside the student attendance management system. First and foremost, the admin must grant lecturer access to the interface and permission to update the system setting. The admin and lecturer have access to the database student information and can see and edit it. A facial recognition technique that detect and confirm the student face and record the information in the system. Aside from that, a face confirmation time in and time out data flow from the student is used to detect and record the student incoming and exiting time during the class. Finally, the attendance result will automatically generate a report in the system to record the activation operation and we send to the lecturer and the admin. So this is the diagram that I say for the DFD level 0. You can see the diagram in this. And for the input and output for the process, I will pass to Suhadini. Thank you.
The next one is the input and output for the process. As you can see our interface, that is automatic attendance system. Every box beside the student's name determines whether the students are present, absent or absent with reason. So it makes the other person to identify whether the student has attended to the class or not. And the next one is in the interface, there are 3 different types of boxes. The presence of the student is indicated by the green color box. The red box denotes a student who is frequently absent and never attend classes. The yellow box denotes a student who is absent for a valid reason. So these color changes are really interesting, and also it makes the other person, the user, to notify whether the student has been absent or attended the classes properly. 5 different control elements. We've applied a menu. As you can see our interface, we have overview, setting, a report, and then the next one is the student present icon, and then the student absent icon, and then we have put a save button at the right of the ending. So here is our interface, and then we have applied the menu, toggles, command button, checkbox, and also buttons. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello madam, today I would like to explain to you all about 5 types of aid user interface design. So there are 5 interfaces. First of all, strive for consistency. Explanation for strive for consistency is using well-known icons and conventional form and layouts. Second one, permit easy reversal of action. Explanation for permit easy reversal of action is the arrow can be used to return to previous pages. It is simple to make adjustment. Third one, design dialog to yield closure. Explanation for design dialog to yield closure. After all of the attendance data has been saved in the automatic system, a dialog box will appear. Fourth one, support internal locus of control. When the user inputs their login and password, the system responds automatically the sign in. And lastly, error handling. Explanation of error handling is when there are unsafe modification in the system. The save button and exit button turn red. When the user tries to depart without saving, is receive a promo. In the event that a new user is unfamiliar with the system's navigation, a L button is provided. The simple setting can be used to return to previous pages, can change language based on your preferences, and many more. It is simple to make adjustment. After all of the attendance data has been saved in the automatic system, a dialog box will appear. I will tell to you about 3 types of validation check. First validation is field validation. ID and password must be entered before login. And second validation is range validation. It will not accept password that does not meet the required length, which is above 8 letters. The last validation is pattern matching validation. A minimum of 1 capital letter and 1 small letter is required in the password. Here we can see 2 validation. They are 2 validation. They are field validation and range validation. So here we got conclusion for the project. Overall, this system adheres to many of the requirements established for creating a consistent, efficient, productive, and user-friendly interface for our automatic attendance system. A lot of the diagrams were made so that we could really comprehend the entire system and how it works. This is the references that me and our group mate used to complete this project. Thank you. That's all from me and our group mate.